Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Plants vs Zombies 2 game on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Once you open it up, tap on the search button and then type in Plants vs Zombies 2 and begin your search. Now from the search results, tap on the game when you see it, and then you can tap on the install button, which will now begin the download and installation of the game within your device. Just wait until the installation is completed, and once you see the play button, you can tap on it to open up the game right away. And now, you can start playing the game on your device immediately. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Plants vs Zombies 2 game on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.